With the help of a top-secret project called Highland, Tesla is planning to completely redesign its best-selling Model 3 electric vehicle, which will nonetheless adhere to the company's recognizable sleek design aesthetic. Take a closer look at the key differences that define the 2024 Model 3 apart before discussing the potential ramifications for the electric vehicle market. The 2024 Tesla Model 3 appearance has been redesigned and is known as Project Highland. One of the most obvious modifications in Highland's departure from the classic Tesla design language is the trademark soft-curved, rounded front bumper's replacement with a more linear, straightforward form. This departure from Tesla's reputation for keeping similar aesthetics across their entire car series represents a significant change in their philosophy. The redesigned front bumper has a sharp seam that runs from left to right, giving it a distinctive and keen appearance. The Model 3 is given a new look with this design update, which also serves functional objectives by decluttering the bumper's outside components. Tesla strives to accelerate, increase efficiency, and reduce the cost of the production process. Along with the updated front bumper, the headlight has also been changed. Instead of the previous curvy design that extended to the edges, the new headlight is smaller and flatter, adding to the Model 3's distinctive appearance while also possibly improving aerodynamics by taking design cues from the Lucid Air and Cybertruck. The decision to streamline the bumper design and headlights also hints at Tesla's intention to align the design language across its vehicle lineup, with the Cybertruck featuring pronounced edges and a defined seam across the front. The new linear design in the Model 3 may help create a cohesive visual identity for Tesla's lineup of vehicles. Efficiency is crucial for achieving maximum range in an electric vehicle. In addition to the visual improvements, Tesla can reduce the amount of curves and contours in the bumper design, which will simplify production and lower costs. Tesla's focus on manufacturing efficiency is visible in the exterior revisions. This is consistent with Tesla's continuing objective to improve manufacturing and increase public awareness of electric vehicles. The 2024 trial Model 3's rear-end alterations bring about a number of notable changes that suit the outward overhaul as a whole. One of the most obvious changes is the narrow vertical arrangement on the exterior edge of the car in place of the typical horizontal tail light fixture. The interior of the 2024 Tesla Model 3 has a sleek and minimalist aesthetic to better align it with the design language seen in the Model S and Model X. The classic gear shift and control stalks on the steering column have been replaced by capacitive touch controls, which is one of the most noticeable alterations. This brave decision by the Tesla to deviate from the usual control scheme changes the vehicle's basic user interface. Turn signals and lamps were previously controlled by the left-hand control stalk, but touch-sensitive controls on the steering wheel have taken its place. For a more streamlined and cutting-edge steering wheel design, these capacitive touch buttons on the horn line also operate the wipers. The initial yoke design was received with mixed reviews, although the new steering wheel that was previously introduced in the Model S and Model X boasts a distinctive yoke-like shape. They ultimately gave in and issued a modified version that mimics a conventional wheel form. Furthermore, the interior of the 2024 Model 3 has been enhanced with ambient LED lights that can be modified to select the appropriate color and pulse rate. The ventilated front seats are a nice touch that improves driving comfort. The Tesla's autopilot computer and camera systems hardware 4 are featured in the Tesla Model 3. This improvement adds additional front bumper cameras, higher resolution cameras with better dynamic range, and an enhanced computer chip. These developments guarantee that the Model 3 remains at the forefront of autonomous driving capabilities, enabling the car to fully utilize Tesla's self-driving beta. With the completion of its trial production phase, which signifies Tesla's readiness to start full-scale production, the Tesla Model 3 Highland project has achieved a significant milestone. Beginning on August 31st, the trial phase acted as a crucial testing environment for the new Model 3 Highland, enabling Tesla to improve and optimize numerous components of the vehicle. To ensure the Model 3 Highland meets the high standards of quality and performance for which Tesla is known, Tesla will start the production ramp-up process alongside rigorous stress testing. The stress testing process will provide useful insights into the car's durability and reliability, paving the way for a smooth and efficient production process by early September. Tesla's daily production capacity for the Model 3 Highland is expected to reach approximately 5,000 units. This remarkable statistic demonstrates Tesla's dedication to satisfying the new Model 3's projected high demand and is evidence of its innovative manufacturing processes and operational excellence. The financial reports on Tesla's Model 3 Highland have provided valuable insights into the estimated cost of parts, offering valuable clues into the possible pricing of the vehicle in the Chinese market. Although the exact pricing details have not been officially disclosed, the estimated cost of components projects the guide price for the Model 3 Highland to be around $28,000 with a 66 kWh battery pack Tesla. The Model 3 Highland also introduces a neoprene interior. This new battery chemistry offers a substantial advancement in battery technology and could improve the performance and range of the car. The LIN VP04 battery's main benefit is that it has a better energy density than the previous battery chemistries used in Tesla automobiles. When manganese and iron are added to the cathode material, the amount of energy stored in a given battery volume or weight is referred to as energy density. Greater energy storage capacities from Tesla will give the Model 3 Highland more range and better performance. The extended range on a single charge alleviates range anxiety, which is one of the main concerns for owners of electric vehicles, thanks to the vehicle's higher energy density. However, there is some uncertainty regarding the LIN VP04 battery's availability in the US market. This uncertainty is caused by the requirements for the US electric vehicle tax credit. In order to be eligible for the full EV tax credit under the US Inflation Reduction Act, at least 50% of the value of the battery components must be produced in North America. The 2024 test Model 3 Highland, which combines cutting-edge design, innovative technology, and sustainable energy solutions, represents a big stride forward for Tesla and the whole electric car industry. As Tesla works to improve manufacturing processes, increase range, and diversify its vehicle lineup, it continues to push the boundaries of what electric vehicles are capable of, advancing us towards a more sustainable future. Tesla continues to stake out its position as a market leader for electric vehicles with the Model 3 Highland. The Model 3 Highland is evidence of Tesla's efforts to incorporate feedback from current owners and industry trends into its product cycle. These iterative improvements, whether in terms of exterior design, interior comfort, or autonomous capabilities, demonstrate that Tesla remains agile and responsive to market needs. This makes the Model 3 not only a flagship electric vehicle, but also a benchmark for how to continuously evolve a product in a market that is changing quickly. Model 3 Highland will be better equipped to take advantage of advancements in autonomous driving technology thanks to upgraded hardware and higher resolution cameras. This is in line with Tesla's goal to realize a fleet of fully self-driving cars, moving the company one step closer to disrupting not only the automotive sector but the entire transportation industry. Let us know what you think of this 2024 Tesla Model 3 Project Highland. Make sure to like, subscribe and turn on bell notification for more content like this and latest updates about Tesla. Thank you for watching.